Welcome to the tutorial video for the Reference Framework for Sustainable Cities, or RFSC. This tutorial video will focus on three elements: how to create a project in the RFSC tool, how to assess it using our integrated framework of objectives, and how to monitor the progress of your projects and strategies. To create an account, simply click on Your Tools in the upper right corner and choose Sign Up. Now you can add your contact details and identify your profile from the several options available in our predefined list. Add your username and password. Click Sign Up and your account is created. Now just insert your login and password and click Connect to enter the RFSC tool. Once connected, you will have access to the main page. You can start by choosing your language. In the Projects tab, you can see your projects list and filter them by using the search box. So let's start by adding a new project by clicking on Add a new project. With your new project created, you can now add images, the name of a project, select the project status, scale, and state of progress. Add a brief description of a project and select keywords from different topics. You can also identify your project with a Sustainable Cities network, highlight if it was recognized as a good practice, and add the contacts of the person responsible for the project. Sharing your project's assessment is optional. You can choose whether you want to make it public or not. You can also add a feedback on how the RFSC helped you on your project. To finish, click Create. Here you can see a virtual project created for this tutorial video. Collaboration is an important feature. It allows you to work on the same project with other colleagues and partners. You can easily invite others to contribute to your project by clicking on Edit Contributors. Use the search box to look for other users registered in the tool and assign them a role as writers or readers. At any time, you can edit your project details and export a PDF presentation of your project. To start using the self-assessment tool, click on Evaluation. Our framework of objectives covers 5 dimensions, ensuring an integrated approach to sustainable urban development. Each dimension is supported by 6 objectives in line with the European vision of sustainable cities. Each objective is defined by a detailed explanation. You can now set the level of priority of each objective by using a scale from 1, not relevant, to 4, highly relevant, and use our framework to guide you. The next step of the evaluation enables you to add actions to help you complete each objective. Now, for each objective, you can add supporting actions and indicate their estimated impact. You can estimate the impact of each action by choosing from 1, insignificant, to 4, major impact. By using our tool, you can also choose other frameworks to assess your project, like for instance, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals framework. Once you have finished adding your actions, click on Evaluate my project to view the results of your assessment. The RFSC tool offers 2 visual outputs. The first one allows you to view the profile of your project. In this virtual project, you can see that some objectives are seen as very relevant, while others are less ambitious. This will help you to understand, for example, how integrated your project is and which objectives you are prioritizing more than others. The second visual output will show you, per objective, the ambition you have set in gray and in color the estimated impacts of your action. We can see that for some objectives, the estimated impact of the actions match our ambitions, while others still require improvement. By clicking on each objective, you will be able to check which actions you have set to achieve it. By choosing a different framework to assess your project, you can evaluate your performance within the SDGs framework, for example. You can download the results of your assessment and use them as a basis for discussion with your colleagues, with other project stakeholders, or for communication purposes. To go back to the evaluation, simply click Resume the evaluation. You can assess and compare the progress of your project in different stages by clicking on New Evaluation. Let's now move to the monitoring feature. The monitoring feature allows you to develop your own monitoring system. For each objective, you can choose which indicators you want to use. You can add the values online, see your progress, and download the results in PDF or spreadsheet. To choose the indicators, go to the Indicators tab. Here you will have access to a library of indicators at the local level and from several sources. Each indicator is supported by an explanatory sheet with the definition, EU targets, required data and formula, examples and sources. By ticking the indicator, it will be added to your monitoring system. You can see the list of the indicators you have chosen when clicking Manage My Indicators. An important feature is the option to add your own indicators. By choosing Add an indicator, you will be able to insert any indicator that you are using for your projects. Let's now explore the Network tab. Here you can contact other users of the RFSC and check all public projects online, enabling networking and exchange of experiences. You can use the search box to look for other users, filtering them by profile, city, or keyword. By choosing Projects, it is possible to explore and search for other projects in the tool. Clicking on a project will give you access to its description, profile, and assessment results. Thank you for following our tutorial. We strongly encourage you to try the RFSC and share it with your colleagues. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.